Every company wants to make products faster, cheaper, and better. The secret? CAM, computer-aided manufacturing. CAM takes a digital design and turns it into precise instructions for machines like CNC mills, lathes, and 3D printers. This automation is the foundation of cost savings and efficiency in modern manufacturing. CAM helps cut costs in several ways: less material waste by simulating processes before production, manufacturers use only what's needed. Fewer errors, automated instructions mean fewer mistakes compared to manual machining. Lower labor costs, machines handle repetitive, time-consuming tasks, reducing the need for constant supervision. Faster prototyping instead of multiple physical trials, designs are tested digitally, saving time and materials. Efficiency is where CAM shines. 24/7 production machines can run continuously with minimal downtime. High-precision complex designs that would take hours manually are done quickly and accurately. Integration with CAD, any design update flows directly into production without rework. Scalability, whether making one prototype or thousands of identical parts, CAM adapts instantly. In short, CAM reduces production costs by minimizing waste and errors, while increasing efficiency through speed, accuracy, and automation. It's not just about making things, it's about making them smarter and more affordable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunshine Digital Services for more insights on design and manufacturing.